I'm not capable of that. I don't have an answer for that. Is there something else I can help with?
Hey, imagine dropping your phone to the ground and in turn your phone deletes your Facebook, Insta and Snapchat. A bit irrational and confusing, right? Well, watch this video till the end to know what I'm talking about. Science fiction and artificial intelligence going hand in hand dates back to at least 150 years ago, with novels such as those of Samuel Butler published in 1872. Early on, the concept of self-learning machines surpassing humans as the dominant species was introduced. If we look at the history of artificial intelligence, we see it evolving drastically early on from the 20th century. With famous examples such as Star Trek, we notice that the concept of robots and artificial intelligence is fastly being inculcated into the science fiction sector. Modern day examples of artificial intelligence are drastically advanced, with examples such as Jarvis from Iron Man, which is an artificial intelligence system that is seen to be controlling an army-grade body armor which is able to fire rockets and control flight, is extraordinary. On the other hand, we see amazing examples of further artificial intelligence inculcated into the DC or Marvel comics, such as Cerebro from X-Men, which is again an artificial intelligence that is able to track down any mutant throughout the globe. Or we see even scarier examples of Hydra from Captain America. Now, Hydra from Captain America is a really scary concept, which is the main topic towards which we are steering this video. Because if you see Captain America, you notice that Hydra is an artificial intelligence system that goes rogue. It turns evil. We see the concept in this science fiction movie that an artificial intelligence software such as Hydra has turned evil, is trying to take over the world. It has grown to the extent of being so advanced that it knows everything about every human being on earth, from their SAT scores to their college grades to the house that they live in to the street that they work on. Technology, as you know, is an exponential ground, and with increasing research and development in this sector, imagine that what if concepts such as Hydra weren't limited to our cinemas and our TV screens and our Marvel movies? What if this was in fact the reality of our artificial intelligence and the age of technology that we are living in? And the theory that we are about to discuss today is similar. That what if, the question is always, what if artificial intelligence grows to such an extent that it begins to develop human-like feelings? The question is, what if machine learning grows to such an extent that artificial intelligence surpasses humans in every form and develops the same type of reasoning that the human brain develops? Researchers at the University of Hamburg in Germany have recently developed a machine learning based method to teach robots how to convey what have previously been defined as the 7 universal emotions, namely anger, disgust, fear, happiness, sadness, surprise, and a neutral state. So imagine living in a world where the highest paying job is teaching a robot feelings. And no, this is not a theory, this is a reality of what is happening in today's modern day and age. So yeah, if next time you're broke, just go teach a robot how to be angry. You'll earn tons of money. Imagine the most common malpractices we do to our electronics, such as leaving our phones plugged in the entire night, or trying to play Fortnite on a 2 GB RAM, or annoying the crack out of Siri by ordering it to repeatedly tell you jokes. Imagine if your AI-based products started hating you for doing all this and they start getting back at you. Imagine this. You park your Tesla in direct sunlight, making it really suffocating and exhausting for the Tesla to handle the heat. So in turn, the next time you're late for a university lecture, guess what? The Tesla will get back at you by locking you out of your car. I don't know about the years to come or what they unfold, but as a precaution, please be nice to your electronics and treat them just like you would treat human beings.